Oh, we're going on the glass bottom boat. Hopefully there's a pier. Yes, I think there is, so we don't have to get wet here. All right. Okay.
ゆっくりと進みながらサンゴのたくさん見えるポイントを目指して移動します。This bird run for a while for first bird. Here is galaxy coral, mushroom coral, staghorn coral, nocturnal coral, and more, and so on. And fish. Oh wow! Oh, many fishes under the coral. Sir, this fish, I'm sorry, sir, Japanese name is Nokogiri in Japanese. Kind of snapper. Yellow point is a fish. Nokogiri in Japanese. Kind of snapper. Black point and yellow tail fish, same kind of snapper. 店黒星上台
Oh, look at the big grouper. Big monster at the bottom.
Down here.
What's that little white thing?
Oh, shower. 10 centimeters. Name is Staghorn Coral. But I think so. Have a look at comments here.
Oh, there's so many.
Oh, butterfly fish. White and yellow.
Yeah.
6 meter in high, 8 meter in wide.
Yeah, it's all down that face too.